Welcome to O-Cedar's Power Scrub, a microfiber roller mop that is better than ordinary sponge mops. The Microfiber Power Scrub Roller Mop features a unique microfiber wave sponge design, which provides better spill pickup and grabs more dirt than ordinary sponge mops. Its absorbent curved sponge allows for deep cleaning. The Power Scrub scrubbing brush offers a dense scrubbing brush with soft bristles to get rid of tough, dried-on dirt for a truly deep clean without damaging floors. For the ultimate cleaning team, use the Power Scrub with the O-Cedar Easy Pour Bucket. The mop can be used on all types of hard surfaces, leaving your floors streak-free. This mop is compatible with the Power Scrub Roller Mop Refill. To change the refill, push the handle towards the mop stick until it clicks. The click confirms the release of the sponge. Slide the old sponge off the mop. To replace the mop head, align and insert the sponge onto the metal hook. Take the new sponge following the direction of the arrow. To lock the mop head in place, pull the handle down towards you so the sponge goes through the rollers. This locks the refill in place. With the O-Cedar Power Scrub Roller Mop, sparkling floors has never been easier.